What's up mga Bigaon? Welcome back to our channel! And our video for today is Gimme on Song! Sa mechanics sa among video ron guys. Mahobot ko, singer din, maghatag ni Og. Kanta, try na mga i-harmonize.
Pero, sir na.
Oo, subscribe! Ano yung subscribe? So lang pala pa-subscribe!
Share!
And please comment below kung may gusto nyo subscribe at pwede mo sunawan. And don't forget to follow us on our Twitter at Yanong naman 03. Ano sa mga tao? Oo, sa So, ready na? So, first singer,
Mali ang among
Top
kalita.
OPM.
Ganun, taga-kanan.
Kumaw buwang Top OPM. Miley Cyrus.
Number? Miley Cyrus. Ang sama mo na. Ala. Litong-tong na si Jawa. Magaling kita-gakan ng 5.
Dili na kay. Asa may gana ni Miley Cyrus?
Kuan.
Nag-lime?
Oo. Kadugay san. 4, 3, 2, go! I can almost see it. And I'm dreaming, but
There's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it.
every step
I'm taking every move that makes feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. Stop. There's always gonna be. Tawaran to. Miley Cyrus.
Oo, maura si Jack ang murag ni Kuan sa among mind nga gana
Yeah.
i-blend.
Kinahalan automatic daw yun ha.
Sige, go. Automatic.
Atong title. Next singer is
Transform.
This band. 1, 2, 3, go. Kahit ikaw ay magaling, sa'yo lang lalapit, sa'yo lang aawi. Kahit na ikaw ay bago na, ibigin pa rin kita, kahit ayaw mo na. Tatakbo, tatalon, sisigaw ang pangalan mo. Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. O bakit ba kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap na huwag ka na nang lumihis. Tayo nga. Next. Moira De La Torre.
Malaya! Ano ba? Daghan mang good as in.
Nakita kita. 3, go.
Nili ka to eh.
Nakita kita sa tagpuan ni Bathala. May kinang sa mata na di maintindihan. Tumingin kung saan sinubukan kong lumisan at tumigil ang mundo. Nung ako'y ituro mo, at hindi ka lumayo. Nung ako'y
pinaglaban mo! Sobra na.
Moira De La Torre left the group. Okay, next. Taylor Swift.
Alam! And
Love song. I remember when we broke up.
Dislike. Mga bata na ba?
We are never ever ever getting back together. We are never ever ever getting back together. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me.
Talk to me.
No, we are never ever 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 getting back together. We ever. Next,
We have
Little Mix. I got a fire to your heart. I got a fire to your heart. Little Mix.
ano?
When you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the dance floor, I wish that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Boom!
And close.
Every time I see you, I die a little more.
Stolen moments that we stand blessed to card in the falls. And never stand blessed to card in the falls. And never be enough. It's obvious
When you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the yes. Lyrics. Little Mix, di hawa na naman si Perry. Next singer is Bigaon Trainer. Their future. Go now.
their future husband if you want.
Here's a few things
You get to know.
I know that's man.
Their future husband. Here's a few things
You need to know it.
You wanna be my one and only. Oh.
I'll take it for a day. Everyone's alright. Oh, let me compare a Megan Trainer. We're not fan of Megan Trainer. Dear future has that. Here's the few things. Next, we have Christina Aguilera. Every day is so wonderful. Suddenly, it's hard to breathe. Now and then I get insecure for all the pain. I'm so ashamed.
Ipopose ko to sa face.
I am beautiful no matter what they say. Words can bring me down. Yeah, I'm beautiful no matter what they Christina Aguilera sa mukoy. Boga shake your china arma. Bushwa.
Mishwa.
Next is
Bird suwa.
Sam Smith.
Sam Smith. Oo ka lang.
Sam Smith. You must think that I'm stupid. You must think that I'm a fool. You must think that I'm new to this. But I have seen these all before. Yeah, I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to me. And every time I open up, it hurts. Yeah, I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you. In case you go and leave me in the dirt. But every time you hurt me to listen, I cry. And every time you leave me, the quick of these tears I. And every time you walk out, unless I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. You said, but it's true. I'm way too good at goodbye. I'm way too good at goodbye. I'm way too good at goodbye. Next. Oh my God, my favorite, Ariana Grande.
Saman.
1, 2, 3.
Giving it time and I'm laying on my shoulder. Ayun na. Uso ng kaan.
Ano na, kalimot ko yan.
Ariana Grande.
Ariana
Ang
Grande.
lalagnalag sa zero, maraki ko, nasaro ko.
Been here all night. I've been here all day.
I got me looking side to side.
I'm talking to you.
Hey!
When in your body.
Hey!
When you're out on the drive in your body. And you got it when you're rolling, yeah.
Alam mo,
This
Likisaro.
These friends keep talking way too much. And I should give you up. Can't hear no one. Cause I've been here all night. Ariana! I've been here all day. And now you got me going side to side. I've been here all night. I've been here all day. Next singer
Gusto ko
is
si Jano.
December Avenue. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na para bang wala nang papalit sa'yo? Nasaan ka man? Sigaw ng puso ko ay ang pangalan mo. Whoa. Kung saan lamang ay nakita mo ang lamis sa iyong ngiti.
Tamis
Sa
mo, tamis.
umagang di ka nagbalik. Nung nisingat nang makita mo ang lamis sa iyong ngiti. Saan ka balik? Hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan. Hanggang ang puso'y wala nang nararamdaman. Kahit matapos ang magpakailan pa man, ako'y maghihintay sa ngalan ng pag-ibig.
Nandito lang ako.
Next song! Kung di rin, where do I belong?
Begin.
Kung di rin ang ginagawa. Next singer. I hope it's OPM. Justin Bieber. You know you love me. I know you care.
Never say never. So never. And I'll be there. You want my heart. You want my love. And I will never, ever, ever be apart. Are we an items? Let's play games. We're just friends. What are you saying? But it's another look right in my eyes. My first love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 no, like baby, 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 oh. I thought you'd always be mine. I'm gone. No, I'm gone. No, I'm gone. Gone. I'm gone. Next. OPM.
Ex-Battalion. Miss na kita, baby, hindi ko na kaya. Sobrang saya ko na, muli tayong magsasama. Pangako na, hindi ka na maghihintay. Hindi ka na malulungkot, malapit na ako, baby, pauwi na ako. Ako'y pauwi na, baby, pauwi na ako.
Miss na kita.
Baby, pauwi na ako. Ako'y pauwi na. Hindi ka na malulungkot, malapit na ako, baby, pauwi na ako. Yeah. X-Spray!
Kalimutan mo na yan. Sige maglibang.
Ang satong, shut up.
Huwag lang sa kiliran, kay basi makitan.
Next is Callum Scott.
There goes my heart beating.
You are the reason
I'm losing my speed.
Speed. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my
Sige ka ba yun?
Uy, takatakalas ka lang sa masok mo na, oy.
I cloud every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see you are the reason.
Singer, nalagyan mo eh. Wala ko nagiglalis. Laban siya. Next singer, Shawn Mendes. I
Wanna lie to you. I know he's just
not right for you.
And you can tell me when I'm off, when I see it in your face, when you say that he's the one that you want. And you're spending all the time with this wrong situation, and everything you want me to stop. I know I can treat you better than he can, and I make it like you deserve a gentleman. Tell me why you're wasting time, and when you're wasting time, you should be with me instead. I know I can treat you better than he can. Give me a sign, take my hand,
Saba.
we'll be fine.
Next.
Yeah.
Next singer is Lady Gaga. You're giving me a million reasons to quit the show. You're giving me a million reasons to let you go. You're giving me a million reasons. Give me a million reasons. Giving me a million reasons. About a million reasons. If I got your Raleigh, I would run for the hills. And get why move down to break. You got to know the clothes and let the Lord show me the way. I can do the clothes and let I've got 100 million reasons to walk away. And baby, I can leave one good one to stay. Hallelujah.
Daga magka-Lady Gaga.
Ooh la la, want you the romance. I want your body, I want your disease. I wanna be applause, applause, applause.
I wanna be a plus, wanna be a plus.
Applause, applause, applause.
Mama.
Next. Adele.
Hello,
Everybody loves the things you do.
can you hear me?
From the way you talk,
All it out,
it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you liked me to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I haven't done much healing. Hello,
Yes.
can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from tried, I've tried.
Next!
Everybody. Ano to? When we. So, that's
And that's
all.
it. That's it, guys.
Oh my god. Oh my god.